gusto ko lang mag-thank you because yeah, it really helped me upskill and it made me a better marketer because now I can easily understand every website concept from front end, back end. I think if I didn't enroll in this bootcamp, I would never know this kind of capabilities I can do. So yeah, thank you, Zuit. Hi, I'm Jana Gagan. I'm a digital marketer and I graduated from Zuwit's coding bootcamp last April of this year. And back then I was a part-time bootcamper since I have a day job. And currently I'm overseeing overall marketing and website management. So it integrates my new web development skills into my marketing expertise. As a digital marketer, I built landing pages and newsletters manually. And then I realized that by learning how to code, it could enhance the processes and also expand my capabilities. So this curiosity about the potential of coding led me to study web development. Yes, so I was hesitant to join the bootcamp because I had no prior knowledge in IT or coding. So I think na-overwhelm ako sa thought na yung magiging classmates ko are in the IT field and have coding experiences. But I was determined to upskill, and I believe that stepping out of my comfort zone was necessary for my career growth. Yes, definitely. So my goal was to upskill and to add value to my career. And then joining this bootcamp made me learn how to code and enhance my abilities. So made me learn how to understand the website dynamics, front end and back end. I also now can resolve errors and I can enhance user experience, leading to more effective marketing strategies. My expectation is for me to learn how to code. But yeah, I was hesitant because will I learn how to code if I don't have any background in the IT field or any coding experience? Yeah, actually, when I saw the Facebook ad, yeah, it feels like I need to enroll. It felt like it's a sign to enroll. And then when I explored the Facebook post of Zuit, I was inspired with the success stories of students who, like me, had no prior IT background or experience in coding, but they graduated with coding knowledge, and some of them went on to succeed in the field. So that convinced me to enroll in Zuit, and Zuit was the right choice for my learning journey. Actually, the Zuit structured approach, it made coding both accessible and comprehensible. So despite having no prior IT background, the bootcamp curriculum broke down complex concept into manageable lesson. So it made each step of the learning process enjoyable and clear. And I think one of the most memorable highlights for me was I successfully developed an e-commerce website from scratch. It's a milestone I never imagined I'd achieve. And it was truly a defining moment in my coding journey. And it's a testament that Zuit is effective. It's an effective program. The bootcamp experience was exceptional. The curriculum was accessible even for beginners like me. I had no prior knowledge, but the instructors were professional. They were very patient and went beyond expectation. They made sure that we understood the material. And then for the group work at the end of each lesson, it made a collaborative environment and it allowed us to discover our strengths, our areas for improvement. It's like a traditional classroom setting. So I really enjoyed the bootcamp. Actually, the Discord team chat, it helped us loosen up. So after our first group work, that's when we felt closer to each other, helping one another with our group work. So it made us loosen up. So it felt like really you're in a traditional classroom setting but just online. So after that, more chat came up on the Gmeet channel. So yun, meron na kaming mga joke time while learning. So it really helped us be more attentive with the class since hindi na siya parang strict on the lesson side. So meron ka ding parang like in a traditional classroom setting na merong magjo-joke na classmate. So yun yung na-enjoy ko. Hindi siya ordinary classroom. I mean, hindi siya ordinary lesson only setup. So there's this fun side to the bootcamp setup. I think majority are career shifters, but meron din akong mga classmates na, well, with coding backgrounds or graduated from the IT field. But as the career progressed, hindi naman siya intimidating because it became evident that we were all learning new concepts together and we helped one another. And everyone was there to expand their knowledge. Yes, Zuwit significantly aided my professional development. Recently, I resolved website issues, something I never imagined I'd be capable of. And this experience deepened my understanding of the connection of how web development complements and enhances digital marketing efforts. I think my message would be if you're dreaming of expanding your skills or career shifting, don't hesitate to take the first step because you never know how much you're capable of until you try. And Zuit is equipped to help you reach your goal and unlock your potential.